Hello, this is Moomin. I have COVID, and I'm locked in my house, and my friends don't want to play Terraria right now, so we're gonna play some Warcraft 3, and I picked the perfect map for a lovely, low blood pressure playthrough, which would be a map called Blizzard's Tower Defense. There's a very simple, straightforward tower defense with no weird fuckery in it at all. Yeah, we skip cinematics, alright? We're cool here. Shit! Okay, change of plan. Typically in this one, you want to get towers out, and then you want them to actually be high enough level to insta-shot the mobs for the first part, and then I should have actually probably put this a little further back. How much did that cost? Ah, shit. Alright, so we're just gonna hope and pray that this glaive tower is gonna be enough. Fucking figure out those goddamn commands too. Okay, so there's no commands to zoom out. We're just a little fucked. And shit. It's all good. It's all good. Nothing to worry about. Alright, so there's a hero we can get out. We're definitely going to want to shoot for getting them out pretty early. And these are for higher level buildings, which we're not going to worry about. Oh fuck. This map is actually like really, really easy to die on, so we don't want to risk it. We're going to try to be as careful as possible. I can't promise actually beating this though. It's a really fucking hard map. I lied. You made the mistake of trusting me. Please die. But luckily, we have a true. Oh no. I was a little worried there for a second. Alright. And these are like buildable towers. They're pretty cool. Right, and every now and then, like a boss wave comes. I'm probably gonna lose like really badly, I'm not gonna lie. But I will try to last at least a decent amount so you can see some of the map. Come on, fucking die. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Oh, he's dead. We've got him in the bag. Now the rest of it, they're gonna escape. Unless... Come on, glaive towers. Let's go. Useless. Alright. Gee. I'm not gonna have enough time. Oh, there's such a low health one in there. Fuck. Pain. Okay. We tried. We tried. Oh, and the next wave, I believe, is just like that one really strong unit over and over again. Oh, I hate being right. I hate being fucking right. Ah, shit. Alright. We have to put faith in the glaive. That is where our salvation lies. Come on. You got it. You got it. Just kill the big strange blue man. You got it. You got it. Shit. I don't know why I sold them. These are a terrible idea. And these guys are gonna get through too. Unless... As you can see, we are currently in an absolute deficit. Not even able to get out a hero. Which is not where we want to be. I think we gotta prioritize actually surviving the waves. Oh shit. Did you even target here? Oh, we're in the clear. We're in the clear. I've dumped my vast fortune. Oh, it didn't do shit. So this Moonglaive ability allows them basically, you see right there, they just bounce to the next target. Makes it kind of good. The problem is, that took like all my fucking money. And Mikey Likey the money. Soon. Hey look, an extra 7 more hit points, yay! Ooh. Alright, if we're able to survive this wave, I might actually be able to afford a hero. Problem is they're not focusing. Which means like all of them are gonna get through. That's just great. That's just... Oh. Fuck. It'll be worth it in the end. Can we sell this shit? For a single gold. Let's go. Oh, hell yeah, even more health. Alright, we're probably gonna survive this, but I'm definitely not gonna be very happy afterwards. Boss, we're not killing him, so we're gonna focus everything that isn't the boss. It's not gonna kill. We got some kills, which means hero time. Let's go. Alright, this is where the money's at. I'm on our 2 hotkey. Oh no. Oh no, it was a terrible investment. Alright. shit, I should actually like invest. Whoops. Oh, that's expensive as shit. Oh, this is probably gonna drop mini units too. Yeah. Oh, this ain't good. This poison tower kind of slowed down. It's not gonna build very fast, is it? Alright. We're going to want to build a lot of these around to kind of just keep the flow of enemies slow, so I'm actually able to pick them off. This might be a first round in a while we don't leak. Let's go. Easiest game of my goddamn life. Alright, and we're going to want a section with lots of towers. Put that there. We're going to want a better builder too. Oh, it's just a big boss. Oh, shit. Okay, so yeah, this guy, he can plant eggs, and it kind of makes the game a problem, because they spawn and then they follow after him, and it's just a pain in the fucking ass. Now, the towers could probably take care of him fine, but Hero's got to focus up. Constant damage. Keep him... Try to basically take him out of the game as fast as possible. Because, like, the further these enemies spawn into your area, like, the less defenses you're going to have to actually clean. Nice. Alright, you can just stand here and help. And we have no money. Yeah, boy, let's go. We really need those new towers. These are fucking hurting. Oh shit. Basically want these hitting new targets every time. Alright. And shit. It's alright. It's alright. Situation is well under control. I lied. Shit, I should totally build some right here too. Oh, god damn it. So armor types actually play a pretty big role in this game. You get bonus damage for attacking with a certain type of damage instead of just another one. But unfortunately, I don't have a very diverse amount of damage. I only have basically just this guy, which is hero damage, and normal. And this isn't looking so fucking hot. Well, good news. This actually might be small enough to upload to YouTube on an actual decent time. Bad news, I'm gonna fucking die. I need some fortune. Some money. I don't want to fucking get this. Oh hey, hero. Ooh. How is not one hit him yet? This is gonna be GG. That guy is a fucking sponge. Oh, damn it. Rip. Okay. Well, at least we get a better tower, which I have to unlock. Come on, come on, come on. It's just gonna have to work. There's not a lot of room, but there's it. Oh shit, she's fucking blinking! Rip. Well, thank you for joining me in my very swift ass kicking.